creating a data visualization strategy and understanding its importance. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data. By using visual elements such as charts, graphs, and maps, data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. The importance of visualization. Data interpretation. Visualizing data allows for easier interpretation of complex information. Patterns and trends that may not be apparent in raw data can be easily identified through visual representation. Visual storytelling. Effective data visualization can tell a story, making it easier for stakeholders to grasp complex concepts and make meaningful connections between data points. Business intelligence. Data visualization is a key component of business intelligence, providing a clear and concise way to present data insights to decision makers. Data-driven decisions. By visually representing data, organizations can make data-driven decisions that are backed by evidence and analysis rather than assumptions or gut feelings. Visual data strategy. Consistency. Use consistent design elements and color schemes throughout your visuals. Interactivity. Incorporate interactive features to engage users and allow for further exploration of data. Accuracy. Ensure that your visualizations accurately represent the underlying data to avoid misleading interpretations. Relevance. Focus on the key insights and information that will drive decision-making processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, creating a data visualization strategy is essential for organizations looking to harness the power of data and make informed decisions.